everyone, Mrs. Connolly here. Okay, I'm out at another training again today, but I want to go over today with you everything you're going to need to do to get ready because we're starting our next magazine layout assignment. So let's go over what we've got here. Okay, so if you go to your training videos folder, please, go to your training videos folder, the one that I shared with you by email. You'll notice we've used the Illustrator videos, we've used the InDesign. I've added a new one here, and this is the Adobe Press Ready videos. I just want to forewarn you. I know some of you have been getting along in the past with just kind of figuring things out. Our next assignment, you're going to be making these InDesign packages. It is really going to be almost impossible for you to complete these assignments unless you look at the Adobe Press Ready files. Okay, let me tell you what's in these. In the first one here, you'll see here, the video one is a Photoshop video. This is going to show you how to use color correctly, okay? How to take the pictures you're going to be using in your magazine layout and get the resolution correct. So before you can put pictures in your InDesign layout, you have to put them in Photoshop, make sure the resolution is correct, and make sure the file formatting is correct. This video will show you how to do that. It's going to, most of your videos, you're going to put, when they go from Photoshop to an InDesign layout, they should be shared in a TIFF file. All that's going to be explained. Okay, so next you'll see here, video 1B is going to be the Illustrator movie. Again, this one goes into colors, and it's also going to tell you how to save everything in a .eps file. That's what you're going to need. You're going to use the Illustrator files for your drawings you did, because you're going to use your Mother Nature picture in there, and also you're going to redo your titles, probably in Illustrator. The key, what I need you to pay attention to when you're watching these videos is that all of your photos need to be CMYK based colors. Okay, your photos, your text, because when you do your final InDesign package, you can't be mixing RGB and CMYK colors. It's going to stop you. You're going to have errors in there. So you have to make sure you pay attention to those first two videos. And then the InDesign video is also going to be talking about the fact that how to get rid of those RGB colors. InDesign is going to begin a brief introduction into why you package for output. Then your next video here, video 1D, is how to actually package your whole InDesign final layout for output. You will notice there that it's going to talk all about making sure your photos are correct, everything else. So if you're having some trouble, you're going to go there. Finally, you are going to watch video 1E. Your final package, because it will be a magazine layout, needs to be done in a high resolution PDF. Okay? And this video will go over that. And then your final video, the sixth one, will be all about how to do a professional layout. Now, you can kind of see here in this video, right, there's the flowers, which are Photoshop images that had the backgrounds removed. There's a photo here that had to be done in Photoshop. There's definitely some titles that were done in Illustrator. And then, of course, everything has to be laid out in InDesign, okay? The key to this last video, 1F, is all about how Photoshop, InDesign, and Illustrator have to work together. Now, it will refer back to the graphics library. If you don't remember the graphics library, if you go back to the training videos, okay, and click on the InDesign videos and go to the Layout with InDesign Part 2, video 17 is about how to set up your graphics library, okay? Hopefully you took notes on that. So these videos need to be watched before you even begin doing your next magazine layout, okay? Your next magazine layout, when I return on Wednesday, I'm going to give you your text, and then you're going to use your Mother Nature photos. But any other titles or how you do your titles will be done in Illustrator. Any other photos you want to use, those have to be brought in yourself, and they have to be fixed up in Photoshop. Now, I would recommend on Wednesday Bring some magazines in. I want you guys to get creative. So there's going to be the creativity aspect of this next assignment, but watching these 6 videos are what is going to guarantee your success in doing this assignment correctly. This is a big assignment, okay? This is going to be a 60-point assignment because there's so much to it. So please take your time today, watch the videos, take notes. That way you'll have something to refer back to. You can always watch the videos again, but if you can take notes, good notes for each of these videos, then you'll have a great reference as you're working through. Okay? All right. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.